Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing wonderful day. Christmas is almost here and it's the perfect time to decorate our home with beautiful handmade creation. Today I'll show you another easy and elegant Christmas craft that anyone can make using simple materials. So gather your supplies, relax and let's create something beautiful together. Christmas is a season filled with love, happiness, creativity. Handmade decoration make every celebration even more meaningful because they are created with care and love. You don't need expensive materials to make something beautiful, just a little imagination and patience. Let's begin up preparing all the materials we'll need, keeping everything organized makes the crafting process much easier and more enjoyable. As we work through each step, remember that every handmade piece is unique and that's what makes it special. Take your time while arranging each decoration, whether you are using ribbons, pine cones, artificial leaves, berries, ornaments, or jewelry. Every little detail adds charm to your final design. Try different colors combinations and create a decoration materials that match your own Christmas style. The best part about DIY craft is that there are no strict rules. You can add your own creative touch and make every project completely unique. That's the beauty of handmade art. It reflects your personality and creativity. This craft is perfect for decorating your front door, living room, dining table, or even your workspace. It also makes a thoughtful handmade gift for family and friends. During the holiday season, a handmade gift always carries extra love because it comes straight from the heart. I hope this tutorial inspires you to create your own beautiful Christmas decoration. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry, practice makes everything easier and every craft you make helps improve your creativity and confidence. If you're enjoying today's video, please take a moment to like it. Your support means too much to me to motivate me to keep creating more beautiful DIY ideas for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first watch to my upcoming Christmas craft videos. I have many more festive ideas coming soon that you won't to miss. I'll also love to hear tell me in the comments which Christmas craft was your favorite or what do you like to see next. I read your every comment and I truly enjoy hearing your ideas, your love, your support. Thank you so much for watching, spending your time with me. I truly appreciate your love and support. If you enjoyed this Christmas craft, please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment below because I might mention your name in one of my upcoming video. Keep creating, keep smiling, keep enjoying. Everyone stay safe, stay creative, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.